Your eyes are the window of the world, and we bet you want to keep them healthy. Unfortunately, they are not immune to aging eye health concerns like falling eyesight, cataracts, and eye strain. Because more likely with age, the good news is even though aging is inevitable, you can significantly reduce the risk of eye health problems by living a healthy lifestyle. In today's video, we will be talking about foods that can help protect your eyes. Can eggs really do the trick? What about oranges and fish? We will be talking about all this and more. Fish. Eat fish regularly. Fish and chips are great lunch option. You will be happy to learn that this protein-rich meal can also give you good eyesight. Fish are a healthy food source and should be included in your regular diet for various reasons. One such benefit is their ability to protect your eyes. Salmon in particular is very beneficial to have regularly. Most fish have omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids are essential to improve your vision by maintaining the health of your retina. They also ensure that you don't have dry eyes, which can happen if you spend too much time with a computer and mobile screen. You should try to have 2 servings of fish weekly. Almonds. Almonds are also an excellent addition to your diet if you want to protect your eyes, as they contain vitamin E. This particular vitamin helps prevent any unstable molecule from harming healthy tissues. This includes protecting you from cataracts and muscular degeneration that comes with old age. To get the best out of this vitamin, you should get at least 15 mg of vitamin E daily. Eating 1 serving of almonds, around 1/4 cup, gives you half the vitamin E. You need other nuts you can include to get your dose of vitamin E are peanuts and sunflower seeds. The great thing about almonds is that you can add them to your cereals or salads, but be mindful of the number of almonds you consume, as they are also high in calories. Kale. Your diet is challenging for some people to get to like kale, but this green leafy vegetable is a powerhouse of several nutrients, including antioxidants. Kale has become quite popular as a superfood, and with good reason among the many benefits it offers. Kale helps improve your eye health. Kale is a good source of lutein, which is an antioxidant that also is present in eggs. This antioxidant ensures you don't suffer muscular degeneration as you grow older. It also protects you from getting cataracts because your body can't produce lutein. You must obtain it through your diet. The recommended amount of lutein that your body needs every day is 10 mg. 1 serving of kale, which comes up to 100 mg, gives you just over 11 mg of lutein. Kale can be used in a variety of dishes and can be even made into snack chips. Sweet potatoes. Eating sweet potatoes for healthy eyes. Potatoes are a favorite dish for most people and can be included in several cuisines. Sweet potatoes are a variety of potatoes that are not just about taste but also improving your eye health. Sweet potatoes are a good source of beta carotene, which your body can convert into vitamin A. This helps your body avoid eye related issues such as cataracts and night blindness. This vitamin also helps ensure you don't have dry eyes, which usually happens when starting too long at computer screens. You can have sweet potatoes grilled as fries, as topping of your salads, or on its own mashed. Either way, this vegetable is very easy to incorporate into your diet. Apricots. If you are someone who loves eating apricots, then you can relate to how hard it is to stop eating. Luckily, now you can have as many of them as you wish. Apricots are small packets of good things for your eyes but help your visual organ health. One trick: these tiny babies chocked full of essential nutrients such as vitamin A and vitamin C that are a helpful solution to words of age-related eye problems. Broccoli. Broccoli has antioxidant superpowers that do not let eye problems stay a spotlight. Deserving compound in broccoli is suarine, which according to research can help you with eye problems and promote clear vision. Additionally, broccoli contains lutein, a carotenoid known to accumulate in the retina and play a vital role in shading the eye from harmful high energy light waves like ultraviolet rays. Including broccoli in your diet can contribute to a well-rounded approach to eye health. Are you planning on including any of these foods into your diet? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe Fruits and Veggies.